and thereof early lead is taken by Mathematics by the Rail, and on the outside is Valiente. It's Mathematics in the lead, followed by Valiente in second. And heading for the backstretch, Mathematics, Valiente, Speedy Kim, Gray Magic on the outside, and my sick moving up by the rail on the outside is Sound Value, Red Hot Water, and J. Nicole. And into the backstretch, it's still Mathematics by 3.5 lengths, followed by Valiente in second, and Gray Magic running in third by 4.5 lengths. Speedy Kim on the outside, and my chic Sound Value moving up in between horses, J. Nicole and Red Hot Water. And nearing the pattern, there is still Mathematics in the lead. It's Mathematics by 5.5 lengths, followed by Gray Magic, and moving up on the outside is Speedy Kim and My Chic. And at the pattern, it is still Mathematics all by himself, followed by Gray Magic in second, and My Chic is Speedy Kim running in fourth. And at the last bend for home, it is still Mathematics. It's still Mathematics by only 5.5 lengths. And closing in second is Gray Magic, and My Chic on the pattern outside is Speedy Kim and Sound Value. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Mathematics, followed by Gray Magic by the rail, and My Chic on the pattern outside. But it's still Mathematics by 2.5 lengths, My Chic, and Gray Magic by the rail. And finally at the payoff line, it's Mathematics, My Chic, Gray Magic, Speedy Kim, Sound Value, J. Nicole, Red Hot Water,